I'm back with some more gravity activities. And we remember from yesterday, gravity is the force that pulls us down to the center of the earth. If we drop something, it'll go down until something stops it. Otherwise, it would float away without gravity. So if I drop this, what's gonna stop it? My hand will stop it, okay? If I don't put my hand there, it'll just drop all the way to the ground until the floor stops it. So today we're gonna do a PowerPoint on gravity, and then we're gonna do a science experiment. Okay, what is gravity? Look at these people, they're flying off Earth if we didn't have gravity. And how the apple fell to the ground, and the ground stopped the apple. Without the ground, then it would just keep going. All right, we got it. Gravity is a force. It pulls us down. It pulls. Pulls. Everything have gravity. We have gravity, but we can't feel it or see it, right? You can try this for yourself. Stand next to your friend or your mom or your dad or your brother or sister. Can you feel the force of your friend's body pulling on you? Nope. We can't feel the gravitational force of other people because we are too small. Now these rocks are very big, but they are still not big enough to feel that force of gravity. But what about these two rocks? We have Earth, we have Moon. And remember, the Moon has little mass, so we weigh less on the Moon because there's the less force of gravity. The Earth and the Moon. The Earth pulls the Moon. Did you know that? The Moon also pulls the Earth. The Earth is bigger than the Moon, which we can clearly see. So its gravitational force is stronger. Its force is stronger. But there are things bigger than the Earth. Jupiter is much bigger than the Earth. Wow, that is. So there's Jupiter, there's Earth, and there's the Moon. So you can see the difference in size. So its gravitational force is even stronger. But Jupiter is much further away. So here's Earth, here's Jupiter, there's the sun over here. Oops, let me go back. So right here, that's 384,000 kilometers away. Jupiter, 588 million kilometers away. All of the planets have gravitational force, but there is one thing in our solar system that is so huge that has the strongest gravitational force of all. I bet you know the answer to that. Yep, you got it, the sun. Earth's gravity keeps our feet on the ground because everything on Earth is pulled downward to the center of the Earth. So what would happen to us if we had no gravity? Think about that. Well, if there was no gravity, we would fly off into space like we talked about yesterday, okay? So thank goodness for gravity. Go ahead and grab your experiment paper. And the materials listed on the chalkboard are a rock and a piece of paper, just a plain piece of paper. And I'll tell you what we're gonna do in just a minute.